Peking duck. Ingredients: 1 4-pound whole duck, dressed. Half teaspoon ground cinnamon. Half teaspoon ground ginger. 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg. 1/4 teaspoon ground white pepper. 1/8 teaspoon ground cloves. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon honey. 1 orange, sliced in rounds. 1 tablespoon chopped fresh parsley, for garnish. 5 green onions. Half cup plum jam. 1/2 teaspoon sugar. 1/2 teaspoons distilled white vinegar. 1/4 cup finely chopped chutney. Directions. Step 1. Rinse the duck inside and out, and pat dry. Cut off tail and discard. In a small bowl, mix together the cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, white pepper and cloves. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of the mixture into the cavity of the duck. Stir 1 tablespoon of the soy sauce into the remaining spice mixture and rub evenly over the entire outside of the bird. Cut 1 of the green onions in half and tuck inside the cavity. Cover and refrigerate the bird for at least 2 hours, or overnight. Step 2. Place duck breast side up on a rack in a big enough wok or pot and steam for an hour, adding a little more water, if necessary, as it evaporates. Lift duck with 2 large spoons, and drain juices and green onion. Step 3. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Place duck breast side up in a roasting pan and prick skin all over using a fork. Step 4. Roast for 30 minutes in the preheated oven. While the duck is roasting, mix together the remaining 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and honey. After 30 minutes, brush the honey mixture onto the duck and return it to the oven. Turn the heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius. Roast for 5 minutes, or until the skin is richly browned. Do not allow the skin to char. Step 5. Prepare the duck sauce by mixing the plum jam with the sugar, vinegar and chutney in a small serving bowl. Chop remaining green onions and place them into a separate bowl. Place whole duck onto a serving platter and garnish with orange slices and fresh parsley. Use plum sauce and onions for dipping.